We are primarily a service company that assists buyers with financing for boat purchases. Financing for boats is really based on the strength of the borrower. But there's so many programs to fit so many different types of borrowers, and we have all of them. As a service company, we have several different lenders that we work with. And
Okay.
once we get someone interested in a purchase, we will fit that borrower to the right program. We handle all the upfront underwriting. We handle getting all of the supporting documents for qualifying the borrower for the program. We verify income, we verify liquidity,
Okay.
and we put the whole package together for the lender. Market is booming. We do is tailor the program based on what the borrower would like to do.
Okay.
There is mainstream lending,
Right.
20% down, 20 years, the boat's over 15 years of age. Anything over 100,000, those are the parameters. The process is different for every lender. They all have different workflows and
Okay.
different processes. For the most part, though, once you get a complete package, which entails all of the financials, the application, and the bank statements, and everything that we ask for, most lenders turn around within 4 to 5 days. Are rate locked for either 30 to 60 days, depends on the bank. All of the information for the approvals are provided to the borrower in writing
Okay.
so that they have everything in front of them so they know where they stand in order to move forward. That's an easy question. Boats that are production boats that come from a reputable manufacturer are the easiest to finance. A Fountain Peugeot, or any well-known brand
Okay.
that puts out a decent amount of product so
Mhm.
that you can find comparable sales in
Trusted.
order to value the product. Those ones are the easiest because the banks are looking to be able to compare what's being sold out there so that they're comfortable with how much they're lending on those boats. Custom boats that are, only made one or two made a year, those ones become a little more tricky to get done. Boats in general, regardless if they're catamarans or not, most lenders are 20 years or newer. We can go 30 years. And that also depends if there's enough supporting information for that boat.
Mhm.
Of course, the older you go, the stronger you need to be as a borrower. And that means really good credit, very good liquidity, and an overall, strong financial picture. There's no size limits.
Okay.
Really, there's a lending limit as far as how much these lenders are willing to lend.
Right.
Most of them have a 70,000 and up restriction, and then that determines the down payment and the rate and the term that comes along with those programs. There are lenders out there that will permit the borrower to keep the boats in the islands or
Okay.
in the Caribbean or in the Virgin Islands. Those programs have a little stricter guideline.
Mhm.
The rate is a little bit higher, the down payment is more.
Okay.
But yes, it's possible. As far as me being the representative for the bank is obviously wanting to be most comfortable knowing that the boat's condition is in good condition. All of our programs require a full survey done by a certified surveyor.
Okay.
Those surveys must provide full pictures of the boat's current condition. Um, Most people, if they're not working with a broker, can contact us through our website, ycfinancial.com. There's an application there that helps get the process started so that
Okay.
we can qualify them and help them with being able to give us what we need so that we can get the deal done as soon as possible. Otherwise, the good old fashioned way never hurts. A phone call or an email.